See the crystallization on the snow? It's beautiful. The sun's hitting it. Oh. You see my snow boots? Oh, wow. Wow. I almost slipped down. You see there? And these are my snow boots. Thankfully, I didn't fall. But I'd surely like to. Oh, my. And I don't have any idea what this is here. What is an anthill? Okay, let me change hands. Oh, I'm so thankful that I had this stick with me. Yeah. This here. Yeah. Something was like, get that stick. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And that's why I got it. It sure helped with me slipping. Yeah. Ice. Is this ice? Oh my. The snow is getting in my shoes. I mean, it's like frozen solid. I'm scared to. Let's see. Oh my. It's really, you could go ice skiing on this stuff here. Yeah. It's really thick. It was really cold then. Look at there. Oh my, so thick here. Oh, okay. Can't see where you're walking. Uh-huh. Is this frozen? No. It's running. It's running. Pine cone sticking up. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh, these roads are, just treacherous. No one needs to be out here. I tell you that. Mm-mm. No. Mm-mm. Do not need to be on this road. Not for anything. No. It's dangerous. Be out here slipping and sliding. But it's so beautiful. Yeah. Oh well. I'm glad you walked with me to get the beautiful snow in the south. I'm glad this only is just a one occasional thing because I'm not a friend of it. We're not friendly. Let's see. Oh, another slip. Oh, another one. And look here. Look. It's so flaky. Look there. Oh, it's cute. Okay. The snow is falling down off the trees. Okay. Thank you for walking with me. Oh, look, and just look at there. This here, it looks like it's about an inch thick. Oh my goodness. It is nothing to be playing with, I can tell you that. Okay. I hope I'm not too close. Okay. So thank you for walking with me. And you have a blessed day.